My brothers and sisters, when negative things happen in your lives, sometimes it's the beginning of some really nice things that are about to happen in your life. Remember this. You lost your job. Perhaps Allah wanted you to open a company that might become bigger than the company that you worked for. Subhanallah, it's possible. That's why just be patient. You went through a divorce, for example. Perhaps Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you to get to someone far better than the spouse that you had. Allahu Akbar. It can happen. Be patient. Sabr. The F word is no longer a swear word. They use it to greet. I promise you. I've heard it. I heard young people say, how the F are you? I mean, where did that come from? Why? It is being used wholesale. Are you a believer? Do you believe in the Almighty? Respect yourself. Just don't use the word. That's it. You don't need to. You don't need to follow the trends that are dirty. Follow the clean trends. You can make a difference. Use clean words, good words. How are you, my brother? Imagine in Islam we are taught when you're greeting, use the most powerful prayer to say your greeting. What is it? Assalamu alaikum. It means, may the peace of the Almighty be upon you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessings and mercy of the Almighty be upon you, my brother, my sister. Wow. Imagine that's the way to greet someone. Peace. Peace.